show you how to use a magnetic sensor to detect the level of water. As you see, I have a water pump here. This water pump is going to transfer the water in this bowl to this bowl. And as you see, I have a piece of foam and a magnet attached to it. Once I transfer the water from here to here and put this magnetic sensor here, the water level is going to rise. And then this foam piece is going to float along with it, which makes it come up. And this magnet is going to come also. So when the magnet comes up, this magnetic sensor is going to sense that. And then this buzzer is going to alert you that the water level has increased to a certain level. Now let's start looking at it. First we turn on the switch, and now you can see that the water is coming from here to here. And I'm going to put the magnetic sensor, and we're going to turn this on. Okay, it's coming up, coming up, coming up. Now we're going to sense it pretty quickly. It's coming. Okay, it's rising up, and we still did not get to level. Okay.